How do I enable encryption for data at rest and in transit within AWS services, DevOps, and cloud applications? Hi, everyone. Welcome to my AI Enigma YouTube channel, where I share with you the best practices and tips on AWS, DevOps, and cloud applications. I'm your host, the AI Enigma, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic that many of you have been asking me about. How do I enable encryption for data at rest and in transit within AWS services, DevOps, and cloud applications? Data encryption is the process of transforming data into an unreadable form, using a secret key to prevent unauthorized access and modification. Data encryption helps protect your data from hackers, malicious insiders, and accidental leaks. Data encryption can be applied to two types of data: data at rest and data in transit. Data at rest is data that is stored on a disk, such as in a database, a file system, or a cloud storage service. Data in transit is data that is moving across a network, such as between a client and a server, or between two AWS services. Both types of data need to be encrypted to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. In this video, I will show you how to enable encryption for data at rest and data in transit within AWS services, DevOps tools, and cloud applications. I will also explain the benefits and challenges of encryption and the best practices and recommendations for encryption This video will help you understand the importance and the process of data encryption in the cloud. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AWS, DevOps, and cloud videos. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.